Welcome to Ryan LLP Injury Attorney's YouTube channel. Today we are going to tell you about the topic which is called minor road accidents. We will also tell you about common forms of it, what to do after a minor accident, and how Ryan Injury Attorneys can help if the car accident happens. Minor accidents can happen literally everywhere, such as in parking lots, highways, small roads. It can take in any form such as rear end and front bumps too. These accidents involve slight damage to property or to people. Vehicles and people involved can still work and operable. To emphasize minor accidents, here are some common forms of it. Tire blowouts, slight fender bends, broken headlights or taillights, dents on doors or side of the vehicle, crack on window. Each state has different law regarding how to deal with a minor accident. Here are some common among states on how to deal with a minor accident. File a police report. Exchange for information. Contact our attorney specialist. You may get awarded for a compensation pay as a victim in no time and get the highest possible value of your claim. Ryan LLP is an Ohio-based injury lawyer that represents victims of personal injury caused by car or motorcycle accidents, medical malpractice, and even wrongful death against large companies. We have 40 years of experience doing our service in this field and evidently successful with our civil litigations. Our mission is to give every client our full attention, sound advice, and forceful representation at a carefully managed cost. We believe the results have set our firm apart. If you have any questions, please contact us or schedule a free consultation. Thank you for watching. You have a good day.